Hello Explorer, it's Nat again from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For this video, I am currently back in Siargao and I am in such a beautiful resort. I am here for the first time ever and I would like to share you guys around. So Cress's relatives are visiting from Denmark and one of his cousins is a vegan, and I would honestly say maybe vegans could comment on this, but the Philippines is still not one of the best places in Asia if you have diet restrictions, and especially if you are a vegan. So I decided that Siargao would be the best place for that because you just have such good food here and you're not limited to having salads or stuck with eating bread and butter. Wait, butter's not even vegan. Yeah, that's the reason why we're back here in Siargao, because I think it's such a great place for tourists to visit the Philippines, explore the beautiful beaches, and also still get to eat the type of food you want to eat. Let's first start out this vlog by me showing you this beautiful resort. So this place is called Maison Bukana. I hope I pronounced that right. It's actually a villa with 4 rooms and you kind of need to book the whole place. So we booked this whole place and it's just so beautiful, guys. And now it's sunset and I love doing my vlogs in sunset because the hue and the colors of the place is just amazing. Me and Cress are going to be exploring the rest of Siargao a little bit later, and today's our day 1. So let's have a look at the resort before we go and check out the town. So we are in the secret beach side and this is the room. We are in the 2nd floor, and what I like so much about it is you kind of have an outdoor shower. You have an outdoor shower-ish even if you are in the 2nd floor, and you have the view. You have a balcony, which is, this is called the sea view or ocean view room. Okay, let's head downstairs. Oh. While we wait for our tricycle or tuk-tuk, I have my phone, cash. You don't have to hide. You can be part of the vlog, it's okay. Alright, look at the outside. Alright, let's go downstairs. So this is actually a no shoes, or I'm only wearing my shoes for now until we bring it downstairs. And like I said, guys, this resort is you could only book it for yourself, so the whole place is ours, and I can just leave my coffee here and my hat. What?
Where did you put the
mosquitoes? It's in my suitcase. But they have a mosquito oil here. Okay. And this is the pool area. It's, man, so nice. It's in the pocket of the suitcase, my pocket.
The outside? The outside of the pocket?
Yes. And there are so many cute little pockets where you can just hang out, like over here. Oh, so nice. Let's go to the beach while waiting. So they don't have food here, but they have breakfast and food they can order for you from other restaurants. So that's a good thing about staying here. So you're not limited. And for breakfast, we need to pre-order for tomorrow so they can prepare it. And there's local almusal. Ooh, oat pancake, classic champorado. It's a lot of stuff. Thinking local almusal, but then we're gonna go island hopping and there's gonna be Filipino food there. So maybe
Try the oat pancake, that's good also.
pancake. Maybe I'll try the pancakes. Sige. I think I hear a tricycle.
Yeah.
Someone's arriving.
Yes. See you later.
Okay. Pretty much have a lot of fun.
Okay. Tuk-tuk time.
Be, haman na be.
When I saw you walking down that hill, head high and shoulders back, watching you was such a thrill. All that I could do was laugh.
For sunset drinks, I've decided to check out Bravo again. Love Bravo. Aray ko. Thank you.
We were running on that open shore, no saddle on his back. I never felt so free before. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. There I lay beneath the canopy on the gilded forest path.
Time of year visiting March, and it's actually still a little bit chilly. Obviously, if you're from abroad, this is not chilly for you, but for me, I find it a little bit cold and windy. So it's not too hot.
What's going on?
You remember this place now?
What's going on?
Hmm?
Art? You see, I remember this place because last time when I was here, we came from the beach side. So if this lady is telling you that I got bad memory, it's because I never came from that side.
I think we came here from Isla Cabana.
Yeah.
We walked down.
One second.
Yeah, this is such a good place for just strolling. It's got beautiful, long, white sand beaches. So, yeah.
Cheerio.
Cheers. Well, since we were sitting all day in the airplane, because our flight was also a little bit delayed, kind of want to just walk around, see what's new here in Siargao for 2024. I feel like there's already a lot of new restaurants that I am seeing that weren't here the last time I was here, which was, I think, 2022.
작전은 간단해 관심을 낚아챈다 애찬 방심은 환영이에요 팽팽한 월시 위를 당기다가 나오면 정확히 날아가 Boom straight into your heart 당연한 듯이 빠져들어 헤어날 수 없죠 단연해요 해요 There's no turning back 거품처럼 사라져버린 달콤한 거짓이라 해도 눈 감으면 진실이 돼요 그저 그거면 돼요
So we have decided to take the tricycle to go to closer to Cloud 9 as there's a Japanese here.
Japanese. Okay.
Hakata, and they have some ramen dishes, and it's not too bad because it's like 350 pesos per ramen. And we are trying out their two most popular ramen dishes, which is the tantan men and the tonkatsu. Yeah, tonkatsu. How's your food?
It's good.
Yeah? You enjoyed it?
Preferred the, I think the tantan man.
Yeah, but I like the mix of both. So it's like this
Something
is,
not overpowering and
yeah,
something
this is
a little
very
less.
this is a strong, delicious taste, but too much can be overwhelming. So it's good to mix it with something more subtle and comfort foodish. So that's what we did. We shared both bowls.
5 minutes each, then rotate. 5 minutes, then rotate.
That's how you keep a relationship nice.
I didn't want to rotate.
Pops District. What is this place?
I'd like to say hello to these folks here.
Oh, live music.
Also welcoming all newcomers. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gasacho Gastropub. And I'd like to say hello to some of you. OPM.
Welcome to our pub. We have a live band, acoustic night
Yeah,
tonight.
thank you.
Hello, I am Joshua, your waiter for today.
Okay.
Hello, beautiful.
You want to sip some more?
Ang nangyayari sa aking kabalina, hindi nga masama ang ulan at hindi nakakasira.
Alright, that is all for tonight, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Hindi nakakasira ang kalikasan. Darating ang panahon, mga ibong ganan.
Sir, sorry sir.
Ayun.
The bartender